Hello, science students. So this is a brief video to show you how to make a paper rocket out of the paper rocket samples you got in your lab kits, a pencil, a straw to launch it with, scissors to cut it out, and then I have some tape to hold the rocket together. So first thing you're going to do is cut out the rocket. I usually actually even leave the ends on, but if you want to cut it out exactly, you can. And uh, the ones on the right are for standard pencils. The ones on the left are for larger ones, but you can do this in a number of ways. So one of your choices is to simply wrap it around the pencil. I find this pretty challenging. Okay, it's hard to kind of get it to turn and stay. So usually what I do is I take the end here and you kind of hold it like this, and you're just going to roll it around the pencil. Okay, and it might help. You can kind of see, like, I can get it kind of tight but not perfect. It sometimes helps to go ahead and tape that end. You just want to be careful. I did a little bit, but don't tape it to the pencil. Otherwise, you'll have a hard time removing it. And you're just going to kind of wind the paper around, okay, until we run out of paper. Okay, and at that point, I'm just going to go ahead and tape it closed on the other end. You can see my rocket's pretty short, which is okay. You can make it kind of whatever length you want. So I'm going to tape it shut on this end. And we're going to sort of gently remove that from the pencil. Okay, now it's not much of a rocket right now. It's just a tube. So I need to go ahead and close one end. In the document online, it shows you several ways you can cut slits in this and tape it together. You can twist it. I'm just going to take mine and fold it over. Okay, and then you just need one more little piece of tape to do that. Your last thing that you can do is you can use some of your pieces of scrap paper, and you can make, usually I just cut little triangles out, and you can make fins to tape on there. So I can make little fins for my rocket to hopefully make it fly straight. So you can tape those on there. And I'm actually just going to leave mine at an angle so that maybe my rocket will spin a little bit. That would be kind of fun. And once those are all taped on there, your only real job for this assignment is to launch your rocket and then measure the distance. So you use your little measuring tape. You'll go ahead and put the rocket on the end of the straw. It was included in your pack. Okay, and then you can just launch it by blowing through the straw. Okay, and mine flew off about halfway across the classroom. Hopefully that made sense to you guys, and you'll just measure that distance for your measure and convert activity, and then you can do your other measurements. If you have any questions about how to make the rocket, make sure you ask. Otherwise, you are good to go. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully that was helpful for you guys so that you can figure out how to make that rocket.